Hello, my name is Isaiah, and I'm a balloon nerd. I'm a certified balloon artist, and today I'm going to be talking about volume of air or helium in a balloon. Now, this is something that's often misunderstood by the general public and sometimes by other balloon artists. Now, what am I talking about volume? I'm talking about how much air is inside, or helium, inside a balloon. And the bigger the balloon, the more obviously helium or air you need to use. But the problem is it doesn't take much more in diameter to increase exponentially the amount of air inside of a balloon. Now, this is important because if you're not a balloon person and you're buying a balloon, when you go to buy one of those really big balloons full of helium, the really big 3-foot balloons, they take a lot of helium to inflate, and helium is rather expensive. So do give your local balloon artist a little bit of grace when you understand why they use so much helium. Now let's take a look. What I have here is a slide-in size, which is basically a yardstick foldable metal. And you can set the size to measure balloon sizes. I have some inflated here. We'll start with this one. This is a 11-inch in diameter balloon inflated to 5 inches. So if we go over down here, this will fit just about perfectly at the 5-inch mark. Okay, so 5 inches. This one's inflated to 10 inches. Slide this up here, and right about 10 inches in evenly. Have it set a little bit loose so I can slide it easy. And then we have this guy, which is a pretty big one. This is a 16-inch balloon inflated to 15 inches. So let's go take a look at what that looks like over here. All the way down to 15 and 15 inches. So now you might be easy to assume that this is double the diameter, and this is 3 times the diameter of this one. So this should only take twice there, and this should only take 3 times there. Actually, it's much, much more than that. There's a math equation, which I don't understand to give you the exact number, but it's much more. Let's take a look. Toss these aside. Now we're going to go back to an 11-inch balloon. We're going to inflate it to 5 inches. Now, let's count the pumps. Now, for this example, I'm going to count one pump as one out, and then one pump as one in. Okay, so each time I pull this, that's 1, 2. So let's start. Okay, 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pumps, 5 inches. So that's easy enough. Now, just for laughs, let's just go up by 1 inch. So you would think it'd be exactly 6 pumps to do 6 inches. 5 pumps, 5 inches, 6 pumps, 6 inches. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pumps for 6 inches. Just a little bit over twice. So let's keep going. Let's go 7 inches. So 8 pumps, that was 2 more pumps than we expected. So let's see if it's 8 pumps. No, 7, 8, 9. Let's see if it's 10 pumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pumps. So twice as many pumps as inches. So let's continue. Let's do 8. See if it's 16 or more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'd say 18 pumps. So another 2 pumps more than we predicted. 9, I'm not even going to take a guess. Let's just find out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's the 9 pumps. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 pumps for 9 inches. That's 3 times the pumps than a 5 one. I mean, if you can follow me. Instead of just doing it 9 times, that's over 3 times each. So again, there's the math equation. I might be able to find one and put it down in the description. Maybe not. But as you see, the bigger diameter you go, how much more air or helium you need to put inside is exponentially grown. Way more than you would expect. So let's do the 10 pumps, and then we'll jump to the 15 pumps and then see what happens. Or 15, size 15, we'll see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 pumps. So from 9 pumps at 28 to 10 pumps to 40. 12 more pumps. That's a huge jump for 1 inch. An extra 12 pumps for 1 extra inch. So as you can see, you don't just double the amount of air when you go up a size. Even 1 inch can vastly increase the amount of pumps you go. Now, lastly, just for fun, let's see how much it takes to inflate a balloon to 15 inches. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to do a 3-foot balloon with a hand pump. I'm not doing it. It'll take forever. See, this one's harder because it's such a big neck. The air's going to want to escape if I don't get this really set down there. Okay. Now, you don't usually want to use a hand pump on these balloons unless you absolutely have to. But just for the sake of it, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 28, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. 138 pumps of air to reach 15 inches in diameter on a balloon. So, don't ask me about the math, but 5 pumps equals 5 inches, and then 138 I counted for 15 inches. That is well more than triple the amount of air in a 5-inch balloon. So if you're a balloon artist and you're inflating balloons and you're doing helium, and you want to watch your cost, you got to remember that the bigger size of the balloon, you're going to use well more than double, triple, or quadruple even even by adding an inch or two. So if you're doing big balloons for an event, if you can, of course, don't hide it, but discuss with the client, I can do a 3 foot balloon, but if I do it, not quite 3 feet, but maybe we'll do it a couple inches under 3 feet, then it'll save X amount of money. That's a good plan. Or, use high flow, use a 60-40 adapter to save money, because even an inch is going to be a huge difference in volume. Now, if you're buying balloons and you go out and you want to buy a big balloon full of helium, when they quote you a really high price, do understand that the reason for the high price is because even for every extra inch of diameter, it's a huge exponential amount of growth in how much helium you need to put in each balloon. Just to wind up, the bigger the balloon, the more helium inside. Lots of fun, but do remember to be nice to your local balloon artist when they sell you a big balloon full of helium. It costs them a lot of money. Thank you. Goodbye.